Hi, John with Diode. Today we're excited to introduce our new Stage Series ditch light kit for the 21 and up Ford F-150. This kit allows you to mount a pair of our SSC2 or SS3 LED pods above your hood. As you can see, with its low profile design, even with our pods attached, our brackets sit only about an inch over the fender while still giving you enough room to open and close your hood without hitting anything. These brackets were CAD designed right here in St. Louis, Missouri, using a thick gauge powder coated stainless steel to help prevent any annoying flexing or vibrations while driving on or off road. Our ditch light kits come in your choice of our sport or pro power level in 6000K cool white or 3000K selective yellow main beam, and a brilliant amber backlight in addition to the main beam, providing a custom accent light to really make your truck stand out. All of our Stage Series pods utilize our durable polycarbonate TIR optics, which help give you a much more focused and efficient light output than any other option on the market. Both ditch light kits come with our combo optic. This combines our driving and flood optics to give you a focused beam of light downrange, as well as a large area of added fill light directly in front of the vehicle. This kit comes with our heavy-duty wiring harness to control your pods. With this harness, you have the option to use the included toggle switch, or if your vehicle comes with an OEM auxiliary switch bank, you can easily connect your auxiliary switches using the included adapter harness. Another nice feature about our Stage Series pods is that they're very modular, so if you're looking to change the output pattern to something that suits your application better, we have replacement lenses that are easy to swap in just a couple minutes. These Stage Series kits were designed, tested, and assembled right here in the USA and are backed by an 8-year warranty. If you're looking for a Stage Series ditch light kit for your vehicle or any of our other products, visit our website at diodedynamics.com or use our dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. And if you want to stay up to date on any newer future products, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications. Thanks for watching.